jingrakhe kabalane ar Taiew kynthih ban Tyngkai ban pynneh yako umbam umdih haki arphau tylli ki district kari India kalapoi sngi bakut haka arphau tarik Naiwieng ha St Paul Parish Hall Nongpoh haka balawan ki lyndan ki kynrem na ki department jong sorkar Meghalaya sdang ye kani ki jingrakhe haka nriu tarik Naiwieng hakani ke sngi Pynkut la donlang Marcuise N Marak Myntri ki kam PHE ki engineer na PHE baroh ki ophisar rangbah ki trei Ri Bhoi District ki khana school ki nong hikai ki long kpa bat ki nong trei ha ki kanhon self help group ki lawan ban kynrem hakani ke jingelang penwai hanongpoh hakani ke jingelang penwai la pule ya ke kula raikut ban pynneh pensa bat ban Tyngkai ki telong umbam umdih ki badan hakeleng ki Shillong ki thau jong ni district ha ke Jylla bat ha kari hi baroh kawai. Marcuise ha ke jingkren ulairo ek Ri Bhoi District ke balapau kum kawai ke district ha kari India ke ba angnut her ban poi syakathong ban long ke district ke bawan syakmat ha baroh ki liang. Kamtam ha ke jing Tyngkai bat jing pynneh pensa ek telong umbam umdih. Ulairo iki ba iki kena school bat iki seng 3 months ngobha ke blai snok tilang ban rakhe ya ke jal jivan mission ha ki program babunjat bala pelong ha ki niki artayo balala. Ki ophisar rangbah ki beladan lang ha kani kesngi ki kynthih yu Abhilash Baranwal DC ke Ri Bhoi District kong B lyndan Chief Engineer PHE Shillong kong BL Pakantin ADC baruba kurba Executive Engineer ke PHE Nongpoh la ai busket chiki samla ki bela job ha jinga kop paper bal pelong la ai busket chiki samla ki bela job ha jinga kop paper bala pelong ha kini ki artayo
tradition of Jylla. His vision is rooted in the belief that water must be regarded as a matter of prime importance in every household and community. This event, organized in collaboration with Niti Aayog, various ministries, state governments, is a realization of that vision. I am proud to state that Ri Bhoi District has been selected as one out of the 20 aspirational districts selected from across the country to host this transformative program. The active participation of the district administration under the leadership of Sri Abhilash Baranwal, the PHE department, teachers, students, other departments, self-help groups, the community, and others involved reflects the true spirit of Jan Andolan, our people's movement. The diverse activities conducted under this campaign, from workshop to competitions and community initiatives, showcase a united effort towards sustainable water management. The action plans implemented during this campaign deserve special recognition. A few highlights include the launch of Jylla at the Nongpoh Urban Water Supply Treatment Plant, involving teachers and students across schools to spread awareness and instill a sense of responsibility in younger generations. These initiatives, such as cleaning Jal Sampada assets undertaken by individuals in villages like Sarikushi, Nongrim, Jylla, and many more, emphasizing community-driven action. The Fix the Leak program, ensuring zero leakage in water supply systems in multiple areas like Nongladyu, Patharkhama, and Umsho Kriya. The unique Pair Makanam initiative where 10 trees in Nongri and 10 in Trei Nong were planted in honor of mothers, symbolizing the nurturing role they play and need to care for our environment. Awareness programs on water and health conducted at CHCs and PHCs across the district, integrating health and water conservation. These activities have not only enhanced awareness but also fostered a culture of accountability toward water conservation and management. While we celebrate our achievements, let us also look to the future with determination to to achieve our goals. As we culminate this campaign, let us remind ourselves that water is not an infinite resource. It is our collective duty to protect and preserve it. I urge everyone present here, the students, teachers, community leaders, and officials to take the learnings from this journey itself and implement them in your daily lives. Together, let us ensure that the ripple effect of this initiative
program from November 6th to November 20th, 2024, selecting Ri Bhoi as one of the aspirational districts to drive this change. The success of this campaign is a reflection of the relentless commitment and hard work of every department and stakeholder involved. A special thanks goes to the district administration team headed by the Deputy Commissioner Shri whose leadership and dedication have been pivotal in ensuring the smooth execution and success of this campaign.
Born out of the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi during the Chief Secretary's Conference in 2023. He discussed the idea that water conservation has to be made a social movement, wherein every stakeholder, whether it's somebody who's a consumer or whether these are the government departments or private agencies, everyone has to come together in order to ensure that the water conservation is made a daily life habit.